I had no idea what to post tomorrow, let alone for the rest of the week. And honestly, I almost gave up posting autographer. I lived like this endless hamster wheel. Create, post, repeat, but I discovered a system that changed everything. Instead of studying daily, I could sit down on, spend a few focused hours and walk away with 30 days of content ready to go. Today I am going to show you how you can do the same. Create a month of content in just one day. I will break it down step by step. Here's the truth. Businesses that post consistency generate 67% more leads than those don't. But most people quit not because content doesn't work, but because it feels overwhelming. Think about your favorite YouTuber or brand. You probably trust them because they show up in your feed regularly. Consistency beats trust and trust drive businesses. Step 1. Define your core themes. The first step is to create what I call your content pillars. Those are 3 to 5 themes that define your brand. Without them, your content is random. With them, your content feels connected and strategic. Imagine if Nike posted one day about sports, the next day about cooking, the next day about politics. I will get confused. Instead, they stick on fitness, performance, and inspiration. That's why they dominate. Marketers who dominate their content strategy are 3 times more likely to succeed. Step 2. Brainstorm like a pro. Now that you have themes, it's time to brainstorm. This idea where people freeze, but it's easier than you think. Use tools like Answer the Public, Google Trends, or ChatGPT to generate questions your audience is already asking. Example, if on of your themes in an AI in marketing, search what are people asking about AI in marketing. Boom. 10 content ideas, storytelling hook. I once pulled the 30 videos ideas in 20 minutes using this method. And the funny part, some of those videos become my top preference. Step 3. Outline, don't overcomplicate. Here's the secret. You don't need a full script for every page. Outlines are enough. Best this process, sit down and outline all 30 ideas in one go. Just 3 to 4 bullet points is. Why? Because research shows batching work can save up 40% of your time. No more context switching. When I started outlining instead of scripting word for word, I went from creating 4 videos a month to 12 with less stress. Step 4. Best create content. Now comes the magic. Recording or creating in bulk. Pick on day, record multiple videos or shoot multiple photos. Don't worry about perfection. Just get the content created. Example, stream 4 YouTube videos is on sitting, then repurpose clips into shorts, reels, and LinkedIn posts. Story hook. Gary Vee does not post 100 plus times a day because they works harder. He bases the repurpose. That's the secret. Step 5. Repurpose smartly. On long form video can turn into 5 shorts, 10 tweaks to LinkedIn post, 1 newsletter. Co-schedule found that repurpose content generated up to 300% more reach. Think your content like think saving leftovers. You don't eat once and tomorrow eat away. You turn into sandwiches, shop-ups and more. That's how you maximize content. Step 6. Schedule and automate. Finally, schedule everything. Tools like Buffer, Hootsuite or Later can automate publishing. Why? Because consistency beats perfection. A brand that show up regularly will always outperform on that show up randomly. Data point. Consistent brands grow their social following 23 faster than inconsistent ones. So there it is, 6 steps to create a month of content in one day. Define your themselves, brainstorm, outlines, batch, create, repurpose, and schedule. The beauty of this system is that it fills your mental space. Instead of stressing every morning, you can focus on engaging with your audience and grow your business. So let me ask you, which step do you think will save you the most of time? And if you went to more deep marketing studies like this, hit subscribe. Remember, on focus day can fuel 30 days of growth. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.